All right, taco review time. We are actually at 20539 Devonshire. This is in Chatsworth, California. What is this place called? This is called La Barquita. I swear to God, me doing these taco reviews, I need to learn how to speak Spanish because this is pathetic. What is a guy like me doing living in Southern California and I don't know how to speak Spanish? But you know what? That's besides the point. We're still on track to go ahead and try to find the best taco in all of LA. And for the love of God, thank God, we went ahead and got fish tacos today. So we got ourselves a fish taco. La Barquita seafood. So we're gonna pop this guy down because they give you some other stuff in here. Hook you up with a little bit of chips. Went ahead and got you. See, this is why I love places like this. This is why these are places that you don't even know exist. And like, I don't understand why people are lined up at Baja Fresh, but you don't come to a place like this. It blows me in mind. Hook you up with a line. Mind you, I got the fish taco. Okay, I got a fish taco. You got that. This is when you know you came to a legit spot. Whenever the front of the Coke says, it goes by liters. Got myself a Coke, got myself the hot sauces and everything, and we got it all for $4.88. You got the 2 hot sauces here. And of course she was very, very, very generous. And then she gave me this green hot sauce. I have no idea what any of them are, but we're gonna go ahead and get deep into this guy and see what's going on with it. So of course everybody knows the rules. You got 3 rules. You gotta go 1 raw dog it, right? First one with nothing in it. You gotta do this, no foreplay, no nothing. You get yourself a little slice of avocado. Get this guy. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is a legit. Now I'm only so happy that I'm eating this is because I went to Baja Fresh and Baja Fresh was absolutely like I didn't want to eat tacos for like a week. But let's go ahead and get in the first bite and see what's going on. Forget about it. I don't even know what you're doing with your life right now. The fish is super, super flaky. It's nice and flavorful. You can taste how fresh the fish is. That little avocado in the back. The nice coleslaw. The little cabbage slices that they have into it. The tortillas off the hook. Now we're gonna go in with the green salsa. I think this is like an avocado salsa. Let's see what this does to it. I swear to God, I don't understand. Like whenever people go to like these other places, like these Taco Bells or these like Del Tacos or whatever, why would you go to a place when a place like this exists? Now we're gonna go ahead and try it with the red salsa. Get this guy all dialed in. And I'm so happy I'm having a fish taco. For the love of God, I'm having a fish taco. This is a great fish taco. Great taco. This is gonna get a 7-2. Chatsworth, California. La Barquita. And for up to 50% commission rebate, any mortgage assistance, and 0% listing fee, link in the description below. La Barquita Mexican Grill. You guys, they have micheladas and tacos, and you could get your beer to go if you want. $1.85 tacos on Tuesday. These guys are alright, man. I really, really enjoyed it. Come check them out. That's a review. Before the review is over, remember, get yourself a nice ice cold Coca-Cola in liters. If you ever get a chance to have one of these Cokes, I don't know why, it tastes completely different. These things are bomb. And it comes in a glass. Oh, excuse me, I apologize. I was disgusting, that was horrible. And it comes in a glass bottle. Team Coke. I don't know why people drink Pepsi. It's all about the Coke anyway. Man, this was a really, I'm gonna go get another taco. I'm gonna go get a, also, by all means, Southern California people will know this. If you're ever hungover, okay, maybe I'll do a hungover series. I mean, probably really bad for my health, but I could do a hangover series where you go and you try to fix yourself at all these Morisco places. I could do a night where I could go ahead and take you guys out with me and then we'll figure things out.